What's good, YouTube? Today I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin using your Steam gift card. Let's just simply say I'll be showing you how to exchange your Steam gift card to Bitcoin, how to exchange your Steam gift card to cash, physical cash, like real money where you can physical money you can use to buy something. You know what I'm talking about? So this is the platform. If you have been on my channel for long, you're watching my videos, you already know this platform. You can use the link on my description to sign up, giving a free bonus. So you go to Marketplace. Let me just show you real quick how it works. You go to Marketplace. This is where this is my dashboard. Yeah, this is my dashboard. So when you sign up, this is what it looks like. So when you go to Marketplace, you put in the amount you want. You can see it at the buy side. They decide to say buy and sell. It's on the buy side now. I can see Bitcoin there. Yeah, you can select other currency, but Bitcoin, that's what I'm using. Or that crypto, sorry. So what I have to do now is put in details about the card I want to sell. Right? Yes. So that's what I want to do. So I'll go to where it say I want to spend. Yeah, that is where I'll go to. Then I'll put in the amount there. I think what I have here is 30. I'm having network issues, so let me just refresh real quick. Okay, here we go. So put in the amount here. Put in 30. I have a Steam gift card of $30. So I put in 30 there. Then I come to this side here where there's currency symbol. Select USD. Then I'll go to gift card. Yeah, that's it right there. Can do this on a mobile phone. It's very easy and simple. So you can see I recently used Steam gift card. If you've been following my recent videos, you already know what I'm talking about. It's not difficult to do. It's very easy, simple. So just go to the S. Yeah, it's arranged alphabetically. So click on Steam gift card. Steam Wallet gift card, select location worldwide, find an offer. Now, what we're looking for is a buyer. Yeah, we're looking for a buyer, somebody that will buy our gift card and give us Bitcoin in return. Then we are going to sell that Bitcoin for cash. So we already sent someone. So this is the amount I'm getting, $24. So just read the person terms and conditions so you will know the person rules and regulations, so you won't get into trouble or anything. That's the person is acting right now. They send me hi, send card. I said okay. I'm going to send the person this card. You can see over here the person has 1,847 positive review. So just send the person now the gift card picture. Yeah, just watch. Let me show you how it's done. So click on browse file. If you're using a mobile phone, it's very simple. Very simple. So this is it. So I'll upload. This is a gift card. So once it's done upload, I'll click paid to let the buyer know I have paid. Understand? This platform has an escrow system just like Binance does. So every transaction you're doing here is very safe. So I've read all the instruction above and make payments. Yeah, click on that. Now the vendor is verifying your, so just click. I text confirm and release coin. The vendor is now verifying your payment. Once the vendor confirm payment, Bitcoin will be sent to your wallets. So just they have already sent the message. So you can see very simple, like very fast, like no delay. If possible, you can turn to this person right here. The person is very fast. I will give him a positive feedback. This person is very fast, like super fast. As soon as I sent him the pictures, he just redeemed the card and released the coin for me. So I'll give him a good feedback. Good trader. You can see the person gave me positive feedback too. Great. So Just submit. Don't try to cheat when you're doing business. You can see, look at my wallet. I got 22,224 naira. That's how much is the amount I got for selling a Steam gift card worth $30. Do you understand? So that's how it is. It's very simple. So all you have to do now is go to your wallet, sell the Bitcoin in exchange for cash. The money will be transferred to your bank account. Very simple. If you're in Nigeria or anywhere in the world, you can do this. You can do this. Very easy. It's not hard. It's very simple. So for more videos, like maybe you don't know how to sell the Bitcoin in exchange for cash, you can check my previous video. There are videos on my channel where I explained all this, so you can check those videos out and you'll definitely be able to sell your Bitcoin in exchange for cash. So that's it. Use this news platform. Use the link on my description to sign up. It's a way of saying thank you, and I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching this video. More love. See you on my next video. My next video, we're doing lots more. So this is it. Guys, the trade is complete. It's very simple, reliable. Anybody can do this. Anybody. You don't need to have experience. Just have to watch. Take the steps, just like I explained. Read the terms and conditions like the offer. Very important.